Good afternoon, friends. I am Dr. G. Bharat Kumar, consultant interventional cardiologist at Gleneagles Global Health City, Perumbakam, Chennai. Today, I am going to discuss about an important topic, that is an understanding of an heart attack. So, what is an heart attack? When there is obstruction to the blood vessels which is supplying to the heart, it results in heart failure and arrhythmias, which can land up which is very deleterious to our health. It is life-threatening situation, and it is defined as heart attack. So heart is the main pumping organ in the body, which supplies blood supply to the other vital organs such as kidney, brain, liver, and other organs. But heart for proper functioning itself, it needs blood supply. So it is supplied by the coronary arteries. So when there is a block in the coronary arteries, when there is a small tear in the block in the vessels, it can lead into total occlusion of the coronary arteries that will lead on to heart attack. So what are the causes of an heart attack? The main causes are diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol levels, smoking, and family history of coronary artery disease. And it's also age related. Unmodifiable risk factors are age related. Male gender are more prone for heart attacks. So these are the common risk factors for the heart diseases. So what are the things we can do so that to prevent an heart attack? First thing is we have to take a proper healthy diet. What is this proper healthy diet? Diet which is rich in vegetables, fruits, and grains. And we should avoid foods which is rich in saturated fats, that is deep oil, fried items, junk foods. We should avoid completely, and the salt restriction should be there, and salt we can take up to 2 grams per day. So this is the healthy diet which is rich in fruits and vegetables, so that we can avoid these saturated fats. And the other important tips is we have to do exercise regularly. The recommendation is we should walk at least 30 minutes per day or 150 minutes per week for at least that is 30 minutes per day or for at least 5 days a week. So this is the general recommendation. There is what exercise we can do is this a moderate intensity aerobic exercise, such as walking, running, or jogging, or even swimming also we can do. We need not go to gym, do strenuous exercise like weightlifting, like that. We can do simple walking for just 30 minutes per day. So all of us in this world all day we can take a oath like that. We should walk at least 30 minutes per day for at least 5 days a week. We can give 2 days off like that. So this is the general recommendation so that we can keep our heart healthy. Because nowadays they have included one of the important risk factors, physical inactivity, especially after this COVID lockdown. Most of the people are working from home. They are not at all doing any physical activity. So nowadays physical activity is considered as physical inactivity is considered as an important risk factor for these heart attacks. So we have to do our exercise regularly. So we have to take proper healthy diet and exercise, and we should quit smoking completely. So even if you are a smoker, if you stop smoking completely by today itself, then you can prevent the heart attack in very future. So now smoking has a deleterious effect on the heart, and it can precipitate an heart attack. So other thing is we have to maintain a proper healthy weight, and also we have to reduce our stress. So we have to, that is we should avoid obesity and weight gain. We should maintain an ideal weight of around BMI around less than 25 kilogram per meter square, and we have to manage our stress by doing yoga, meditation, or exercise like that. And the other thing is preventive health checkups. This is the fifth important point to prevent the heart attacks. If you are a diabetic, hypertensive, or cholesterol levels are high, and if there is a family history of any premature coronary artery disease is there, then we have to do your ECG, echo, or treadmill once in a year to identify the problems very earlier, so that we can prevent the heart attacks. Because prevention is better than cure. As of now, even though we are treating a heart attacks, 50% of the patients are dying still because heart attack produce instantaneous death or sudden death. That is most of the 50% of heart attacks, 50% of patients will die immediately within an hour. So other 50% of the patients only we are managing. That is those who manage to reach hospitals only we are treating. So another 50% we are still they are not able to reach the hospitals. For those patients, only prevention can be done. So that we have to do preventive health checkups regularly. So on this World Heart Day, I wish you all to maintain a healthy heart by doing maintaining proper diet and also exercise, and quit smoking, maintain ideal weight, and do preventive health checkups regularly. Thank you.